Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have a 2015 Chrysler 300. On this Chrysler, we're going to show you where you find your paint code in case you need to get a new paint job or match some paint. So first we would open up the door, and right here on the door itself we have the VIN number, which tells you all the information about the vehicle. The VIN code tells you where it was made. This one was made in Canada, and VIN number, and then we have the paint code right there. And it tells you your trim level, but the paint code right here is a PX8, and so you'd be able to take that to a paint place and be able to get paint matched to your vehicle. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.